I'm here for the Hue affair and I'm kind of excited. My room isn't ready yet, so can't go in my room yet, but bitch got a drink. Meet my little friend, Mojito. I am sitting at the bar. Check-in isn't until 2 and it's 12 right now. It's like 4 o'clock and I'm finally in my room. Don't mind my hair, it's crusty, I don't care. But I wanted to show you guys what the room looked like. I'm at the W. Pretty sure most of you have seen this room or like have been to the W in Times Square, but I'm gonna show you because I ain't never been, okay? This is what it looks like. A little cute, little tiny little room. A little bathroom, you guys. Cute bathroom. You got a little tub. Got a little night light in the tub. Okay. Little bowl for the goddamn sink. I have a roommate. So these are the beds. Twin beds, I think? 4 beds? Whatever. There's that, but I like this box. I'm just like, this is so cute. I know I can't touch it, but it's so cute though. It's so cute. But yeah, this is the room, y'all. I'm on the 33rd floor. They're out. That is so cute. These little boxes. Can I get a few of these pink boxes, please, and thank you? This is how I roll. The fuck you mean? What is this? What is this? Felicia. Okay, that was a little too high. So you're doing too much. I gotta heat it up. So I'm gonna let it be on 77. And yeah, you guys, this is the view. So pretty. So pretty. Hey, New York. I'm gonna hit like, is that complimentary? He talking about, can I see your ID? I said, I'm gonna take that as a compliment. I love hotels. 90s party is tonight. The 90s party. I will sleep forever. Okay. Y'all can't see me because it's so dark. It's so dark, but I will sleep for freaking ever. They had to come wake me up. I didn't wake up. Went to sleep at 4 o'clock. Didn't wake up till 8. How pretty is that? Good morning, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Insane bitches. No, seriously, y'all. My view, boom. I'm feeling good, feeling great. It's the day of the Hue Fair, and I'm excited. I'm trying to decide if I want to do makeup on here for you guys or if I want to do it on live. I might sit the camera down and record myself going live. That's what I might do. But I need to pack because time is winding down and I gotta get out of here. I think I'm actually just gonna do my makeup come back because I'm like, I want to talk to my friends and go ahead and do my makeup because I gotta be out of here. It's 11:14. Check out at 12. Okay. I am messing around with it. This is a Glow by Day bunny, by the way. I'll have it in the description bar if you guys want to check it out. Get you one of these nice big bunnies. I like a big bunny, honey. And I still gotta wrap down them, you know, everything else, little pineapple, something like that. yeah, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and hop on live, do my makeup, and then I'll be back to talk to y'all. I just went live with you guys and it was so amazing. Thank y'all for talking to me and chatting to me and keeping me together while I did my makeup. But this is the final look for the event. Just got some black boots on or whatever that I got. They were Steve Madden, but they were like $12 bitch because I'm at like a sale. But look how big my hair is. I'm loving it. So about to head out because it's 11:58 and my checkout's at 12. In the house.
Yeah.
Makeup is done, you guys. So pretty. And I have my outfit, and now I have to get my hair done. Still gonna be curly, but she's gonna do something to it, probably make it bigger. So I have my outfit on. I got my outfit on. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at my hair, makeup, this bag. Sick. This whole outfit is just sick. Like, I want to purchase it today. I just think it's too cute. Hair done, makeup done, wardrobe done. I'm kind of excited because I'm feeling the outfit. When I feel myself, my photos come out a lot better. So hopefully I could be a model today. Because, you know, bitch ain't a model, okay? But I'm gonna be a model today. Absolutely loving this dress. Hey y'all, so I am back home. It's actually the next day after that photo shoot, and I just want to wrap up this vlog because it's been quite a week. Honestly, I didn't show you guys one of the events that I went to just because it was kind of boring, so I was like, whatever girl. But that's pretty much it for this vlog, you guys. I'm actually gonna get my new car tomorrow. I was gonna add it into this vlog, but I feel like I want my own, like a separate video on that. So I don't know which one you'll see first. I don't know if I post the one of me getting my car or this vlog first. Just know a car vlog is coming. Yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it with this vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. New York was fun, but not as fun as Atlanta. Oh, the photo shoot. The photo shoot was amazing. I had a blast. So shout out to Mecca for actually calling me up and saying, hey girl, come through, because I kind of like doing photo shoots. I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of fun sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Hope you liked this vlog. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. That tells me that you liked it and you think I should do more vlogs. Share it with people and all that. Okay, so y'all, I actually have to wear glasses. Well, I don't have to, only when I'm driving. So I got my glasses on, my Versace. Feel like somebody. But anyway, that's pretty much it, you guys. Say bye, Sky. Bye, guys. Bye.